Once in the practice note, you can remove the highlights using the toggle in the top right corner, but continue to use the search term map via the icon on the left-hand side. When in a document, you have delivery icons in the top right, so print, download, email, add to folder, and share. You also have the option to view the document in reading mode. You can now search directly within the note using the magnifying glass in the top left. A huge benefit of Lexis Plus is the ability to add notes, highlight and annotate any document within the platform. Just highlight the section of text and then options will appear. The notes feature is particularly helpful to use when you need to remind yourself of something next time you read the document, or perhaps you want to share it with a colleague and make them aware of a specific point. The notes stay on the document until you delete them. Now, if we go back to our search results, you can see that precedents are contained under a separate filter down here on the left-hand side.